Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement gradient in Flutter. Okay, I'm going to delete this counter app from the main.dart file which is located in the lib folder, and I'm going to create a stateless widget and change the class name to my app. And over here I'm going to return material app and save it, and we'll get this black screen. Now let's create the new file. I'm going to give the name as homepage.dart. Okay, and let's create a stateless widget in this page, and let's change the class name to homepage. Now I'm going to return here scaffold and save it and come to the main.dart file, and let's keep the home of the metal app, that homepage we have created. Okay, now we got this blank white screen. Now let's remove this debug banner also by making this debug subject banner false, and it will be removed. Now close that file. Now come to the homepage.dart file, and let's give the body to the scaffold. Let's create a column and give the children. Let's give the text. Let's say gradient tutorial. Okay, and the text will appear over here. Okay, now let's make this appear in the center by just wrapping this column with the center widget, and also wrap this with the padding 25 to all side, and here is our text in the center, and also make the main axis element to the column in the center, and it will appear in the center. Now let's decorate this uh, text. Let's say style, text style. Let's give the font size of 40 and make this font weight dot bold for this text. Okay, now it's looking good. Now below this text widget, now let's create the space. Let's make 20, height of 20. Okay, now below this size box, let's create the container, and let's keep the height of the container, let's say 200, and also keep the width, let's say width a double dot infinity. Okay, now let's keep the color so that you can see colors dot, let's say yellow amber. Okay, cool. Now let's decorate it by using the gradient property, decoration, box decoration, and give the gradient. It's going to be list of colors. Let's use the linear gradient, and if you hover over these colors, you can see it's asking for list of colors. Okay, now just put the colors list in that list. Okay, the first color will be red, let's say, and second color will be colors dot green. Let's see how it will look, and we got the error because we have to remove this color which is outside the decoration, and here is our decorated container with the gradient properties, linear gradient properties. Okay, now we can use other use another color also if you want. Let's say colors dot blue, and let's see how it will look. Now it's looking quite good. Okay, Now you can use the stops to adjust this width of the gradient. Okay, it should be the how many colors. Okay, like we have the three colors we have kept here in the list, and you have to put accordingly like this 0.6. It's going to be width of this like this. Okay, also you can use the begin properties to to align the gradient from where to start. Okay, let's say alignment dot bottom right, and it's going to be start from below. And also you can use the int, let's say alignment dot bottom, let's say top left, and it will int to the left side of the top. Okay, it is going to be start from here and int from here into here. Okay, now let's create another container so that we can use the another gradient like radial gradient. Okay, let's give the size box, let's give the height of 30, and let's create another container, and let's give the height of, let's say 200 for it for this also. Okay, now we can let's make this container center, I mean circular, sorry, box decoration. Let's give this shape, box shape that circular. Let's give the color, let's see how it will look. Colors dot red. Okay, here is our circular container, and let's remove this and let's keep the gradient looks. Let's use the radial gradient, and let's list the color. Let's say colors dot deep orange, colors dot deep purple, and let's see how it will look. Okay, it's looking like this now. Okay, now let's use the stops property, and let's keep the white for the color. It's going to be, let's keep white 0.2, and for this deep orange, and 0.5 for the deep purple. And let's see how it will look. Okay, now it's looking like this. Okay guys, this is how you can use the gradient tool. You can also use gradient tool for this text also. For this text one, let's do that. Now to do that, plus just wrap this text with the wrap with widget, and let's use this ShaderMask property. Okay, and as you can see, we got the error because it's requiring shader callback. Okay, now let's give it. And for the shader callbacks, you have to bounce the uh, gradients colors. Okay, I'm gonna use linear gradients similar as before, and we got the error because we have to give the create shader. For rect, let's give the bound, and we have to put here list of colors. If you were here over to this colors, it's requiring list of colors. Now let's give the list of colors. Let's say colors dot deep purple, colors dot yellow, colors dot, let's say deep orange, sorry, deep purple. Okay, now let's see how it's looking. It's not showing anything because we have to change the uh, text color. Let's say let's keep the text color to white. So it's going to show this gradient in the text. Okay, guys, this is how you can use the gradient in Flutter. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.